negative? Yes, I said negative. I don't rip it, bro. Ask Unripe Peach. I never say any bad words.
Yeah, you gotta go die though.
Eugene seems so excited with his face full of
please.
glee. Okay, if he wanted to go, I would have went. But like,
No stopping now.
bro wasn't committing to it. It wouldn't have been like. It would have been good content. That's it. But like,
Locked in a smoke.
that's about it. Would have been mad up.
That's like
120. How did they kill me so fast? God damn! Yo, W res, W res.
Thanks. No target.
What'd you say, you dirty fucking dwarf?
I'm so good at this game. Can't wait for the
Switching
junior
sides.
chicken free on the house from Meatball.
Never had a doubt.
Dirty. Wait, I was gonna say no.
Whoa. Whoa. Don't rip it, bro. You wanted to meet his icon legend, Willius? Yeah, that would've been funny if I linked. That's my twin right there. A twin Willius. Where are the junior chickens from? McDonald's, what? There's only one place with junior chickens. MVP match? Yo, where'd that one girl go? Where'd Mapes go? Is she scamming me?
These attacks aren't very professional, huh?
We don't even have any way of contacting her, cause... Some man.
Hey.
Show me a destabilizer.
60 yard. How do they kill me so fast while I have
Someone up
2
here.
lives?
Spike
Does it
planted.
exist near me? You don't have a McDonald's, Abby? How's that possible? What do you mean what happened to Willius?
Opponent killed.
How do you not have a McDonald's near you?
Bomb buddy out.
Or even heard of that shit?
Snap.
Last player standing.
You mean junior chicken? Yo, don't all McDonald's have a junior chicken?
can't be US in second this round.
I can't be dead.
You've never seen this? Shit, goated, bruh. Goofy would have a heart attack if he knew you didn't know that. You just don't call it that? Maybe called McChicken. We don't call it that everywhere? What do y'all call it? McChicken?
It's quiet.
Keep me
B.
from leaving.
You even smoke or no?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a McChicken though.
It's on.